to FT Talks. Today I will show you that how you can create your own 3D animations in your Android or iOS. First of all, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. So let's start. First, open your Play Store or App Store. Search Toontastic 3D and download this app. And the first one, Toontastic 3D. Download it and open Toontastic 3D. Toontastic 3D. Download it. Press the plus add button. There are 3 stories. If you want to make short story, then there are 3 parts of short stories, and that's the beginning, middle, and end. If you want to make a classical story which has 5 parts, and that is setup, conflict, challenge, climax, and resolution. And if you want science story, then it has 5 parts, and these are question, hypothesis, experiment, results, and conclusion. So you can make your own cartoons, and also you can make your own drawings. So let's start. I will help you to make one beginning, middle, and end. You can make it. You can make anything. Draw your own. If you want to make your own background, then you can make your own background, or choose your background from the back. If you want to remove it, I've done this. If you want to add this, then draw your own characters if you want. You see building your drawing in 3D. You can also control the width, then finish it. And if you want to name this character, name it, and click next. Add this, next. You see, short, and it is started. You see, hello. Stop it if you make it, and it is started. Then if you want any sound, you can also add the sounds behind it. Click next if you done it, and you can also make the middle and end. Home. If you want to edit it again, then press edit, or you want to download, export it to gallery, or share it in any other place, or you want to delete, then click this. So guys, I'll tell you everything about this app. This is amazing app. You can download these apps from Play Store or App Store, or also from the browsers. And now I want to tell you one more thing. Settings. Yeah, simple characters. If you want simple characters only or full motion characters, then swipe it. I've told you everything about this app, so subscribe to our channel. This is amazing app. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.